So this is the beam I cut earlier. It's 235mm wide by 50mm thick, and I'll walk up the other end. And it is 6.2 long.
So that's the length of it?
That's the length.
Alright.
So it could be used in a skirting of a shed. It's good enough grade to be built to be used in a house. The knots on it aren't big, and if you look at it, it's quite a nice grain on it. You need to walk up close and have a look.
Okay, this is the picture of it and the length.
Alright, stop now. So I'm cutting down to 8-inch, which is 200mm, and then I'm going to get 2 posts that are going to be 8-inch. Actually, I'm going to get one that's 9-inch by 9-inch. That's it.
That's it. Okay, thank you.
So here we are at the sawmill, and just been milling some 50 by 25 6 metre long for a shade house, and the other ones are 100 by 25 for the base of the shade house, where the shade cloth will be attached to. And out of this log, we will at the top here cut a nice 235, which is about 9-inch in imperial board, and then I'm going to cut a couple of large posts. This log here is just over 6 metres long. It came down, oh, it didn't come down on the property, but it was about to come down on the cottage we have. So we decided to cut it down before it fell on the cottage. I got this log here and 2 others here. We get quite a few logs from tree loppers, and we load them into the sawmill with this crane on the back of the crane truck. So I'll hand over the videoing to the good wife, and you guys can watch these big posts being cut.